Wandsworth Bridge is a road bridge crossing the River Thames in southwest London, linking the boroughs of Wandsworth on the south side and Hammersmith and Fulham on the north. The current bridge, opened in 1940, was designed by Sir Thomas Peirson Frank and built to replace an earlier 19th century structure. Its simple, functional design reflects the wartime period in which it was constructed, prioritizing strength and practicality over ornamentation. The bridge carries significant traffic and forms an important part of London's transport network. Although not as decorative as some of the city's more famous bridges, Wandsworth Bridge is known for its distinctive blue-gray color scheme, chosen to blend with the often overcast London sky. Its riverside location also offers pleasant views of the Thames, making it a familiar and essential crossing for local residents, commuters, and cyclists. Albert Bridge is one of London's most distinctive and elegant bridges, connecting Chelsea on the north bank of the River Thames with Battersea on the south. Completed in 1873, the bridge was designed by Roland Mason Ordish and is known for its rare hybrid structure, combining elements of a suspension bridge and a cable-stayed bridge. Its pastel-colored paintwork and ornate details give it a unique charm that stands out among London's river crossings. At night, Albert Bridge becomes especially enchanting, illuminated by thousands of soft white lights that reflect beautifully on the Thames. Because of its delicate structure, signs famously warn soldiers from the nearby Chelsea barracks to break step when marching across, a quirky historical detail that adds to the bridge's character.